One of the coolest productivity features of Windows 10 is its ability to focus on one application at a time and clean up screen quickly so you can stay focused. One of the coolest capabilities to focus on one application and clean up the screen is to just shake the application, which allows you to clear the screen and focus on only a single application. To bring them all back, you can shake again and it restores the screen as it used to be. Another cool feature Windows provides is the button in the lower right corner. It's barely visible, but I'm moving my cursor here to show where this button is. If you click on this, it minimizes all the applications and shows the desktop. You can click on it again and it restores the desktop. If this video was helpful, make sure to click the like button in your browser. Also, please help your friends to learn this topic faster by sharing this video with them. And if you would like to be the first one to know about new videos to help you reach your goals faster, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to check out my other relevant videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We have a lot of great stuff planned in the pipeline and I don't want you to miss any of it. And if you'd like to get notified about all the new stuff that are coming out, make sure to subscribe to my email list as well. All links are here on the screen. Make sure to click to stay in touch. Thanks again for watching.